More scrutiny and criticisms of the state of public emergency as the Senate debated an extension of the security measure in St. James. But even as opposition senators supported the measure, they questioned its efficiency and the government's crime plan.
Having passed the motion for an extension in the lower house, the government on Wednesday sought the approval of the Senate to proceed. This it got, but not before a rigorous assessment from the opposition. Opposition Senator Damian Crawford says while the government insists the extension is beneficial, the state of emergency is not as efficient as touted. He says it is not helping the country's overall crime problem.
Trelawney, 75% increase. Westmoreland before yesterday, 16.3% increase. St. Mary, 100% increase. Portland, 150% increase. This is 2018 January to April versus 2017 January to April. This is the period before there was a state of emergency.
He says the rest of the country is being cheated.
I am saying to Augustown, demand your pound of flesh from the national government. I'm saying to Westmoreland, demand your pound of flesh from the national government. I'm saying to Clarendon, demand your pound of flesh, because there's a clear correlation between the availability of police in their areas. The police said in Westmoreland yesterday they were incapable to respond.
The opposition was also peeved that, despite promises, no anti-crime plan has been presented.
If you have this crime plan and you are satisfied with it, say loudly and clearly to the public, we have a plan, we are implementing that plan, we are satisfied with the outcomes from the plan, and so we don't need neither to tweak it nor to develop another plan. Say so.
Government senators pointed to the capture or death of criminals and the thumbs up from business operators and residents in St. James as measures of success. Leader of Government Business, Kamina Johnson-Smith, also noted that while sensitive crime-fighting information cannot be disclosed, the reinstated Vale Royal talks will include the opposition.
We have also invited the opposition spokesperson on national security to attend the meetings of the National Security Council. That way, he can not only hear firsthand from the heads of the security forces, but he can directly give input. Mr. President, we are confident that given the sensitivity of information management in the fight against crime, that this is a good balance of information sharing at this time.
The motion for the extension was passed with 16 approvals and 5 absences. Herman Green, TVJ News.